nodding off where I stand.
I've trained for this.
Interested in my wares?
Oi, you there! You've just arrived in town, haven't you? I don't mean to pry, only it's...
Morris, I've just found out Roger's been abducted by beasts.
What? No!
I've just heard news. Rog was seen being dragged off by wolves.
Oh, my poor boy. We must...
Morris, think what you're saying, friend. We can't...
Do you truly expect me to do naught but twiddle my thumbs when my only grandson's been taken from me? The soldiers won't do aught for him, will they now? Consarn it all. He's right. But what else? Do you truly mean that, sir? If you return him to me, I will be forever in your debt, stranger.
We may benefit from pursuing the information.
The flowers that bloom around here glow come nightfall. From what I can glean, the petals absorb the sun's light by day. Isn't that unusual? Nature...
Aye, I met Roger by the cenotaph, on the eastern side of town. He had what looked like a bundle of grass with him, only he was carrying it as though 'twere of the greatest import. He would say no more than 'twas a secret. So yet no sooner had I turned my back than I heard him scream. I charged to his aid, but a wolf was already scarpering with him and its jewels. Poor lad. Pray help him if you can, sir.
Hubris is man's worst enemy.
Poor Rog. He truly is a lovely boy. He's delivered me my remedies many a time. Once, he even picked some flowers on his way and put them up for me. I still recall his smile when he told me about the beautiful flower bed he tends to. Oh, Rog, will I e'er see your smile again? I suppose I can only hope.
The flowers that bloom around here glow. From what I can glean, the petals absorb the sun's light by day and release it after dark. Isn't that unusual?
Over here, if you please.
The undead have risen to face us!
Fire will prove effective against this foe. I see you've been drenched. Fly off as soon as you can. I grant your weapon a magical boon. I will finish this, here and now.
Well done.
Mayhap you will think this a trifle, but curious thing. All of my former masters chose to hire only one. I really wonder.
Each to their own.
Battle is to be avoided, I take it, Arisen.
Let us defer to the Arisen's judgment.
True enough. Use these flames to smite our enemies.
We cannot let down our guard even for a moment. Lest victory.
Risen has been drenched.
Now, what might that be?
We ought to take a closer look.
That battle took more out of me than I would have liked.
What fails to destroy us only enhances our chances against future adversaries.
Here we go again.
We fight. To arms.
By your lead. This calls for a curative. Let my magics grant you an elemental boon.
Such a magnificent tapestry of stars.
True enough.
One of us has to be drenched.
I grant you roaring flame.
I will protect you.
Over here, if you would.
We have yet to explore all the corners of this place. It would be a shame if aught were overlooked.
Let us know if we can be of assistance in this.
I'm scared. What's going on? I remember. The wolves. You saved me. Didn't you, sir? How did you know where I was? I suppose he must be worried sick about me. If it's all the same to you, sir, I think I'd...
Shall we report our results?
Might as well take a look while you're here, eh?
This morning.
Rog? Rog!
Hello, grandfather.
'Tis a miracle! You're alive and in one piece! Oh, joy of joys! I thought...
Grandfather, you're smothering me.
Oh, hush! You don't get to complain of such things after you worried me half to...
I'm very sorry, grandfather. I didn't mean to cause you grief.
And you? Words alone will ne'er be enough to express the depth of my gratitude. Pray, take this. 'Tis naught but a tripe. Thank you, sir.
Thank you for saving me.
Apart from my joints, I've not complained.
Methinks this will be of interest to Captain Brandt. Shall we go in?